Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we are going to be unboxing, it's a bag, but we're going to be unboxing my Savage X Fenty package that I just got in the mail. I just wanted to come on here and kind of share with you guys my first impressions. I do have the extra VIP membership, so I got these items fairly cheap, and I kind of just wanted to talk to you guys just about Fenty. I wanted to talk to you guys about the products, like specifically the ones that I ordered. I wanted to talk about the membership with you guys if you guys are thinking about ordering. I also wanted to share the pieces with you and just see if it's worth buying, see if it's worth your money. I did buy this with my own money, so this is completely unbiased. I'm not sponsored by Fenty, obviously, because girl, if I was sponsored by Fenty, I'd be so happy. Anyways, let's get into this, and I might be trying these on, I'm not sure. Ooh, that looks kind of big. Okay, so let's just go through the things that I bought. So I ordered 3 bras and 2 underwear, right? 1, 2, yeah. I ordered 3 bras, 2 underwear, and like 1 other piece that's not any of those items, obviously. Let's just open the first one. This is the first one. So it just came in this bag. I didn't get a box or anything, which is kind of interesting. It just came like this. No packing slip, so I don't remember what none of these are called. Let me pull them up really quickly. I hope all these items fit as well, because my bra size is like very interesting, like depending on where I order or where I shop at. Like I feel like all my things are different, if that makes any sense. Like my bras at H&M, which I actually love shopping at H&M for like lingerie and stuff, it's super cheap, but my bra size at H&M is a 34C. I do think that 34 is a little tight around my band, so sometimes I do a 36C. Victoria's Secret, I haven't shopped there in a really long time because I really don't support that company. The last time when I was like 15, I remember I was a 36B, so I don't know, hopefully this fits me. Let's jump into the first item. So the first thing that I ordered was the t-shirt bra. So this is just a t-shirt bra. It is only $34, but I don't think I paid that much. Okay, so the subtotal for everything was $157.70, and I ended up paying with the discounts, the 50% off, and my VIP membership, whatever, I paid $77.86 free shipping. So I don't necessarily remember how much these items were individually, because on the packing slip that they send me, or confirmation, it says the original price, which is $34, and I know I didn't spend that much because I bought a whole bunch of things. Anyways, so the first thing that I ordered was this t-shirt bra. It's in the color Black Caviar, and it's the size 34C. And this is what it looks like. This is totally gonna fit. So this is what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see. There's a little X, little jewel in the middle, and then it's just a basic black bra. It has like a little detail right here in the back where it's like no fabric, and it's really soft. All the little hardware on here is like a rose gold. I don't know if you guys can see. This is like a rose gold. All the clasps on here are rose gold. The writing on here is rose gold. And so are the hooks and These are adjustable all the way, so you can literally, I don't want to do it because they're perfect right now. Some bras, they stop halfway to being adjustable. This one, you can literally take this thing and go all the way across, which is nice if you have lower boobs, if you have perkier boobs. Mine are kind of like on the lower middle end, but you know, you have like that flexibility to just be able to change, you know, the size of your bra. This fits pretty well. I guess I'll just show you guys. Just a warning, if you guys are my family or if you guys are related to me, know me, and don't want to see me in this way, don't watch it from this point on, just letting you know. But this is what it looks like on. It's really cute. Sorry, I have a like crop top or a tube top underneath. But this is what it looks like. It's actually super cute. I love the little space right here. The little X is really cute. And so this is what it looks like in the back. The little spaces are super, super cute. And it fits really well. It's just a t-shirt bra, so there's not really any lining. There's no really push-up or anything. And my boobs look really cute. Like I said, this is a 34C. I guess I'll just continue in this outfit. The next one that I purchased was a leopard lace unlined bra with an X charm in the color purple lavender in the same size, 34C. And this one retails for $34.95. And this is what it looks like. I think it's so gorgeous. This is what it looks like. It's just a purple bra. It's super cute, leopard print, kind of mesh. I don't know if you guys can see that on here. I love the way this bra looks. I love the little charm on it. Hardware on this one are rose gold as well for the clasps, the hooks, and the charm. This one is adjustable all the way as well. It has the rose gold hardware on here. So I don't have anything purple in my collection here at home. So this is the first thing that is purple ever, and I love it. I don't know if you guys can see through, so I'm going to cover it, but this is what it looks like. I think it's super, super cute. And here's the back. It looks super, super good. I love the way that this looks on me. And let's go to the next one. So the next thing that I purchased from them is actually the matching set to this. So I purchased the leopard lace high leg bikini with X charm. So wow, this looks humongous. Okay, well, I don't think this is gonna fit me. I got the size medium because I get the size medium at H&M. This is what it looks like. It might fit me, but this is what it looks like. It has a mesh back, and the front is like the leopard mesh still. You can kind of see through it, and it has the charm in the front. I kind of want to try it on off camera. I'm not going to show you guys what these look like. I apologize, but I just want to see if they fit so I can tell you guys if a medium will fit you guys. I am usually a medium in Victoria's Secret, H&M, Target underwear, so let's see if they fit. I'll be right back. Okay, so those for sure fit. They looked humongous, but they fit me. These are pretty standard sizings. I know they look humongous. They look like bigger than my head, but they fit me fine. They're actually really, really cute. These are high-waisted, like I said. Have the little charm in the front, which matches the little bra right here. I don't know if you guys can see this one. Has the same matching little charm. It's double lined in the badge area, which, you know, is pretty standard, but yeah. And this bottom was $14.95. I don't remember how much it was for the extra VIP membership. Okay, so this is the set. I got everything basically purple except that black bra. Like I said, I don't have anything purple in my wardrobe right now, so it is the same as the other t-shirt bra. There's no lining in it, and it's super soft. It has the nice Savage Fenty detailing on the straps, just like all the rest of them do. It has the little X charm right there, and it has the little cutouts. So this one's probably gonna fit exactly like the other one, just in purple. Okay, so this, like I said, fits exactly like the other one. Fits pretty nicely. That's what it looks like on the sides and on the back. Like I said, there's the same cutouts in the back. And this bra is super soft. I'm so happy that it fits me. I always underestimate my bra size, to be completely honest. I'm really tiny, so I don't know, I always think that my boobs are really small, like A cup, but they're not. So I'm really happy that these fit me, and they're really comfortable. And then to go along with that, I bought the matching thong set for that. And they look humongous, but as we already established, this is my size. And it's super soft. It's like the same like material. I don't know how to call like bra material. Like it's like microfiber kind of, like really soft. This is a basic thong. This is just has the Savage X Fenty right there in the corner. It's super basic. The elastic on the top does say X Fenty, Savage X Fenty, whatever. Okay, so I am back with what I was wearing before. We are ready to talk about the last item that I ordered. And this is the Divorce Court thigh-high stay-up stockings in the color Black Caviar. And they come in this really cute packaging. And let's open this up. It says, "Don't walk, strut." Crafted with cutting-edge technology and sourced from the world's finest hosiery suppliers. Discover your inner savage in our irresistible range of pantyhose, stockings, and fishnets. So this is what they look like. I actually have like stockings that look like this without the logo, but I really liked the logo on these. These are just basic black stockings, and oh wow, they have like non-slip sticky little thingies on the elastic. And then on the elastic, this is why I bought this, Savage X Fenty. So they're just supposed to go up on your legs, and then on your thighs they're just gonna sit and be bedazzled. I think they're so gorgeous. And these supposedly retail for $24.95. Obviously I didn't pay that much because I am a VIP member. I think I paid like $14 for these. But this is really cute. Okay, so now I just wanted to talk about how the membership works. The membership costs $49.95 for every month. So there's an option to skip, or you can pay the $49.95. If you skip it, you're not gonna have any credits. You're just not gonna pay anything. You will have zero, but you need to make sure to skip it or cancel. If you don't skip it, it will charge your card $49.95 on the 6th of each month. So you have from the 1st to the 5th to decide if you want to order anything for that month. If you want to skip, you do need to skip from the 1st to the 5th of every month. Now, if you forget to skip or you don't want to skip, it will charge you $49.95 on the 6th of each month, and you will get member credit for that amount. So if next month I forget to skip, it'll charge my card $49.95, but now I have $49.95 to spend on the Fenty website. So I don't know. It's really up to you. I decided that I'm just gonna skip if I don't have the money for that month. And then if I do want to order something to share with you guys, I will buy something that month. It's all up to you. You can skip or shop every month. It's pretty simple. You can cancel anytime. And the perks about being a VIP membership, like I said, all this stuff retailed for $157.70 and I only paid $77 for all of this. Like I said, this bra retailed for $34. This one retailed for $34. This one retailed for $34 as well. See, that's already $104 and I didn't spend that. I also got everything else that I ordered, 2 thongs in here, or 2 like underwears. You do get extra sales. I was eligible to get the 2 for $29 bras, so that took off $40. I did get 50% off being a VIP member, so that took off $19.96, and then the VIP set was only, what is this? It took off another $25. So I saved a lot. I think if you skip every month, if you don't want to be charged, you know, that always works too. I didn't want to have these at a cheaper price, so that's why I opted into just being a VIP member. So overall, I am really happy with my purchase. I definitely would order again. I think all of the items are very, you know, they have very nice qualities to them. Really soft. The little details in them really are super cute, honestly. And these are, like, this right here is a style that I've never seen anywhere else before, so I do think it's worth it being a VIP membership. Like I said, skip it if you don't want to pay that month. You have from the 1st to the 5th. So I have an alarm on my phone on the 1st and on the 5th, and it says skip Fenty. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So that is everything for this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed hanging out with me. Thank you guys for just unboxing with me. It's really fun to just talk to you guys and be able to help you guys if you guys are thinking about ordering. I'll go ahead and leave the link as the first link after all my like garbage. I'll leave the Savage X Fenty down below, and I'll also link all the products that I ordered. Like I said, I do think it is worth buying, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye everyone!